Welcome back to Open Car Audio. It's been an absolute while since we've done a video here for YouTube, but I thought I'd cover one of the latest products we've been working on. What's this Porsche 993 Carrera. Now this car was an absolute animal of a car back in the day. The sound system was okay for its time, but it's been changed numerous times throughout the years in this vehicle. We've upgraded this vehicle today and we've finally put in here the hertz cento speakers with the hertz cento 26OE tweeters up there. We've absolutely covered the inside of the door with sound deadening. You'll see a couple of pictures of that in a second. Moving on from there, we've changed up the radio. The customer provided us with a Blaufunk Bremen SQR 46 DAB. So we've put that unit in for him. We just need to change the colour on there so it's white to match the dials on the vehicle. He's asked us to be discreet and hide the DAB area on the microphone as much as we can. So we've actually put it at the top of the windscreen frame up here for him. Now, being on the convertible, this isn't one of the easiest vehicles to work on. This roof doesn't have a simple A-pillar to come off. The A-pillar on the 993 is bolted and glued and screwed to the vehicle. So we've had to be very sneaky in how we run the cables down the frame, but as you can see, there's not a single cable on show. Underneath the seat, we have the Audison M5.11 amplifier. This is powering the whole system, so it's allowing us to actually plug in the laptop, tune the system, get it sounding the way it needs to sound for the customer. To get a bit of extra bass support in this vehicle, this is where it gets quite tricky. Behind the seats on the driver and the passenger, there's not a lot of room, so we've actually made some custom boxes based on a design that was the same in America. We've actually put an Audison APS-8R subwoofer behind both seats on this vehicle. So there's one behind the driver, one behind the passenger. This provides a really decent amount of bass for the system. In the rear quarters over here, we've got the Hertz Cento CX100 speakers. These are just providing a bit of mid-range and tweeter support on the back of for the back when you've got the roof down. So I'll let you guys have a quick listen.
But first, let me take a selfie.
And that was only at halfway on the volume, so at full tilt it's quite a loud setup in this vehicle. Perfect when you've got the roof down, you want to go chilling, have a bit of a laugh on the road. It's also can be very grown up at the same time. So if you're interested in having your Porsche done, just get in touch with us. I'll go through all the options with you. We can discuss every option that you need, all your requirements, and get you booked in, and we can get you all sorted. Take care.